Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter name algebraic expressions, exercise 3.2, lecture 2. Today's lesson, to solve the problems. In my previous lecture, I had already explained all formulae in this exercise. Okay, now follow the problem. 8 number. If a plus b equal to 3 and ab equal to 2, find the value of a square minus ab plus b square and a cube plus b cube. Solution, given that a plus b equal to 3 and ab this equal to 2. As we have to find the value of this, so we have to use here therefore. Okay, a square minus ab plus b square. This equal to, we can write a square plus b square. Write in arrange minus ab. But a square plus b square, this equal to, we know 3 corollary. One is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Another one is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Or we can write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2. As the given condition a plus b equal to 3 and a b equal to 2, so we have to use here plus sign. As a result, this equal to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This equal to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 3ab, because here is minus 2ab and here is minus ab. Now putting the value of a plus b this equal to 3 and ab this equal to 2. This equal to, we can write 9 and this equal to 6. After calculating, result will be 3. This is the required answer. And we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube, this equal to, we can write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the corollary. Now putting the value of a plus b equal to 3. So 3 cube minus 3 into 2 into 3. This equal to 27 and this equal to 18. This equal to 9. This is another answer. Clear? Okay. 12 number. If a minus 1 by a this equal to 1, show that a cube minus 1 by a cube this equal to 4. We have to find this, or show that a cube minus 1 by a cube this equal to 4. Solution, this is the given condition. Left hand side a cube minus 1 by a cube, this equal to, we can write a minus 1 by a whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. B is equal to 1 by a, like as before math. Now this equal to, we can write a cut, that's mean a minus 1 by a whole cube plus 3 into a minus 1 by a. Now putting the value of a minus 1 by a, this equal to 1 whole cube plus 3 into 1, this equal to 1 plus 3, this equal to 4. So proof is complete. 9 number, like as 8 and 10 and 11 number, like as 12 number. Okay, so you can easily solve this. That's mean 10 and 11 like as 12 number. Okay. Now 14 number, if p minus q this equal to r, show that p cube minus q cube minus r cube this equal to 3pqr. This type of math we had already solved in class 8. Very easy. Just you have to use formula. This is a given condition. Solution. Now cube on both sides. So left side will be p minus q whole cube and right side will be r cube. We know p minus q whole cube equal to p cube minus q cube minus 3pq into p minus q. That's mean a minus b whole cube this equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, and right side will be r cube. Here is r, so here will be r cube. Now this equal to, we can write p cube minus q cube minus 3pq into p minus q this equal to r. Okay, Now r cube convert into left side and this convert into right side. As a result, left side p cube minus q cube minus 3 r cube, this equal to 3p q r. So proof is complete or short. Okay, student. 16 number, if a this equal to root 3 plus root 2, prove that a cube plus 1 by a cube this equal to 8 in root 3. Important math. Here given a equal to root 3 plus root 2. Okay, therefore 1 by a this equal to, we can write 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 by invertendo. Okay, now multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. As a result, here will be root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. That's mean we have to multiply, as here is root 3 plus root 2, so we have to take root 3 minus root 2. Okay, as a result, here makes a formula a plus b into a minus b, that's a square minus b square, and right side will be same. A square mean root 3 whole square, b square mean root 2 whole square. So this equal to 3 and this equal to 2. Okay, this equal to here root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1. So root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1 and this same. Okay, therefore a plus 1 by a is equal to this and 1 by a is equal to this. So a plus 1 by a equal to this plus this. So here root 2 cut, we will get only 2 root 3. Clear? Now left hand side, that's mean this is left hand side, a cube plus 1 by a cube, this equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 into a into 1 by a into a plus 1 by a. Same formula. Okay, now this equal to 2 root 3 cube minus a cut, here will be 3 and this equal to 2 root 3. Okay, this equal to root 2 cube into root 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 root 3. 2 cube mean 8, root 3 cube mean 3 root 3, because here is total 3 root 3 in the product term. Okay, now this equal to 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3. After calculating we will get 18 root 3. 2 root 3 makes 3. Clear? This is the right hand side, so proof is complete. Now creative question 17, if x plus y equal to 5 and xy is equal to 6, find the value of 2 into x square plus y square. 2 into x square plus y square, this equal to, we can write 2 into x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Okay, x plus y is equal to here 5 and xy this equal to 6. Okay, so this equal to 2 into here 25 minus 12 means 13, this equal to 26, therefore 2 into x square plus y square this equal to 26. Here two number we have to find x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x square plus y square, and another find the value of x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5. Now we'll find the value of x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x square plus y square. Okay, follow. Here given x plus y this equal to 5 and xy this equal to 6. Okay, therefore x minus y this equal to plus minus a square root over x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This is a corollary. When we will use here a square, we will get x minus y whole square means x plus y whole square minus 4xy. As we have to take here only x minus y, so here will be square root over this, and also we have to use here plus minus, because x minus y whole square mean here two roots present, one is plus this and another one is minus this. Now putting the value of x plus y this equal to 5 and xy this equal to 6, as a result this equal to will get plus minus square root over 1, that is plus minus 1. So x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x square plus y square this equal to x minus y whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y minus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square, because one number was 2 into x square plus y square. Okay, so 3 into x square plus y square, this equal to, we can write 3 by 2 into 2 into x square plus y square. Okay, student, now putting the value of this equal to 1, this equal to 6, and this equal to 1, minus 3 into this equal to, we have got 26. Or as x minus y is equal to plus 1 and minus 1, so when we'll put here plus, we'll get this, and when we'll use here minus, we'll get this. Same. So this value will be 2. One is after calculating minus 20 and other minus 58. Okay, both are required value of this. Clear, student? Now 3 number, x plus y this equal to 5 and x minus y this equal to plus minus 1. This is a given condition, and from 2 we have got x minus y is equal to plus minus 1. Now adding this and this, will get 2x is equal to 6 or 4, because when we'll take plus 1 we'll get 6, and when we'll take minus 1 we'll get 4. Therefore x is equal to 3, 2. Okay, x is equal to 1 is 3 or 2, and subtracting we'll get 2y this equal to 4, 6. When we'll take x minus y this equal to 1, here will be 4, and minus, then we'll get 6. Therefore y is equal to 2 or 3. Okay, therefore x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 this equal to 3 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 this equal to 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 2 this equal to 275. Okay, here value will be same. When we'll take x is equal to 2, then we can take y is equal to 3, or when y is equal to 2 we can take x is equal to 3. So value will be same. Clear? So the student, today up to this. Thank you. Homework will be 8 up to 17. That's mean exercise 3.2 left all, and submit the copy in the group, date 22/6/2021. Goodbye everyone.